Professor Spectrum, experts in spectral technology.
Hi everyone, welcome back to Professor Spectrum. Today I'm going to explain why analysing for the full recommended time is important when using a portable XRF device. So let's get started. When taking an analysis on any XRF instrument, it is crucial to run the analysis for the full recommended time. When taking an analysis, there is more that goes on under the surface than just a single scan you can see. The calibration you are using may use 2 or 3 different phases to collect data for each scan. Beam phases are set on different ray intensities where the XRF excites specific elements. One beam will target light elements, another medium elements, and the other heavy elements. This allows you to collect elemental data under the optimized conditions for the full range of the periodic table in one scan. So for example, let's use the geo-exploration calibration on the Brooker S1 Titan. This calibration has 3 beam phases that are recommended to be set at 20 seconds per beam, making for a total analysis time of 60 seconds. If you were then to only run the scan for 25 seconds and then stop, the instrument would not have collected the optimized data for all the elements. This would mean that the calibration you are using will not be able to calculate the quantity of elements correctly, as you do not have all the information that it needs. It is therefore important to let the analysis run for the full time that has been set to ensure you are getting accurate results. We hope this video was helpful. If this has raised any questions, please don't hesitate to get in contact with us, and see you next time.